Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Vika Desi Raswati. Saya dari Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan Ekonomi Universitas Pancasakti Bekasi dengan nomor induk mahasiswa 18720500020. Dan di video kali ini saya akan membuat proyek untuk memenuhi proyek ulangan akhir semester 3 oleh Bapak dosen Burhan, Magister Pendidikan selaku dosen mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris.
Glossary of important business, economic, and financial history terms. Equations: the purchase, takeover, and balance sheet. Consolidation of one business entity by another, typically larger surviving entity. Second, asset: any goods owned by any entity and held on its balance sheet. And third, balance sheet, a type of financial statement that lists an entity assets, liabilities, and capital. Bank holding company, a bank that holds one or more other banks as assets on its balance sheet. Base money, any type of money that banks can count as reserves. Bill of exchange, assert that international financial instrument drawn on foreign entity in foreign currency. Bid price, the price at which a dealer will buy a security for its inventory. Bond, generically any loan in finance, a negotiable long debt interest-bearing financial instrument. Budget deficit, the difference between an entity's typically government income and its expenditures that must be financed through the sale of assets or the issuance of securities, usually bonds or money. Business entity, an association, corporation, partnership, sole proprietor, or other entity that buys and or sells goods in an attempt to earn profits. Capital requirements, capital mandated by some regulator or law, typically expressed as a percentage of a bank's assets. Cash flow, the movement of cash into and out of an entity during some finite period, such as a month of a quarter. Cash value, the sum of money that can be obtained for the relocation of a life insurance policy. Certificate of deposit or CD, a type of time deposit where B, the depositor, agrees to pay a penalty if or she or he or it withdraws the principal before maturity, a pre-specific date some months or years after making the deposit. Circulation or N, in the economy, passing from hand to hand, a cash, and archaic term that refer to bank not circulating outside the bank of issues. Commercial bank, a type of bank that primarily makes loans, traditionally discount to business and that issues mainly checking or other transaction deposits. Commodity money, cash or media of exchange that derive their liquidity from the monetary value of the commodities such as copper, silver, or gold that comprise them. Community bank, any relatively small bank that provides financial service to a relatively small geographical area. Consumption, the using or using up of a good on of the major components. Consumption, the using or using up of goods, one of the major components of aggregate output. Conversion, the act of converting one type of assets into another. Convertible bonds, a type of bond that can be changed, converted into another security, typically an equity. Convertible money, any type of money that can be changed into another type of money such as bank note into space. See also credit money. Corporation, a legal device granting an entity special rights, including in the case of business entities, perpetual section, limited liability, and entities holding. credit money, any type of money such as bank notes and deposits, the value of which is dependent on the credit worthiness of the issuer. Access management, the process responsible for allowing users to make use of IT service, data, or other assets. Access management helps to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of assets by ensuring that only authorized users are able to access to modify them. Access management implements the policies of information security management and is sometimes referred to as rights management or identity management. Account manager, a role that is very similar to that of the business relationship manager, but includes more commercial aspect. Most commonly used by Type 3 service providers when dealing with external customer. Accounting officer, a public sector role, has personal responsibility for the property and regularity of the finance, for which he or she is answerable for the keeping of proper accounts, for prudent and economical administration, for evidence of wealth and extravagance, and for the efficient and effective use of resources. This brings with it a responsibility for governance issues and includes custodianship of risk management and its adoption throughout the organization. Accounting period of time are usually 1 year, for which budgets, charges, depreciation, and other financial calculations are made. Accredited, officially authorized to carry to a role, for example, an accredited body may be authorized to provide training or to conduct audits. Active monitoring of configuration item or an IT service that is automated regular checks to discover the current status. See also passive monitoring. Jadi sebelum kita membuat sebuah laporan keuangan, kita harus tahu dulu perjalanan keuangan itu sendiri. Setelah kita tahu laporan itu, kita bawa laporannya ke bidang auditing. Auditing itu yang mengecek, mengcross-check dari awal bukti transaksi sampai laporan keuangan itu jadi. Next, audit, formal inspection, and verification to check whether a standard or set of guidelines is being followed, the records are accurate, or that efficiency and effectiveness targets are being met. An audit might be carried out by internal or external groups, see also assessment certification. Dan auditing itu juga nggak asal dia mengecek, dia punya suatu sertifikat yang mengatakan kalau dia layak untuk mengecek suatu laporan keuangan. Audit Committee, a body of independent directors who are responsible for monitoring the integrity of the financial statement of the company, the effectiveness of the company's internal audit function, the external auditor independence and objectivity, and efficiency of the audit process. Auditing juga salah satu perusahaan independen atau mandiri. Dia berdiri di kaki sendiri karena banyak sekali perusahaan yang membutuhkan auditing untuk meng-cross-check apakah laporan itu benar-benar sesuai dengan PSAK atau tidak. Availability Management or EM, the process responsible for ensuring that IT service meet the current and future availability needs of the business in a cost-effective and timely manner. Availability management defines, analysis, plans, measure, and improves all aspects of the availability of IT service and ensures that all IT infrastructure, process, tools, roles, etc. are appropriate for the agreed service level targets for availability. See also Availability Management Information System. Availability Management Information System or AMIS, a set of tools, data, and information that is used to support availability management. See also Service Knowledge Management System. Balance Scorecard, a management tool developed by Dr. Anders Robert Kaplan. or Harvard Business School, and David Norton. A balanced scorecard enables strategy. A balanced scorecard enables introductor a performance against the key performance indicator or KPIs used to demonstrate how well the strategy is being achieved. A balanced scorecard has four major areas, each of which has small number of KPIs. The same four areas are considered at different levels of data throughout the organization. And finally, baseline management product. A type of management product that defines aspect of the project and once